I am moving the next tutorial, and this tutorial I will show you how to import logo of the company or any logo on the board in our PCB as a silk screen. So our logo will be appear on the board as a silk screen, having some procedure which you have to follow. In Allegro we cannot put our images like PNG and JPG format directly. We have to convert it in DXF format, and we have to import the DXF format to the PCB as a silk screen layer. Correct? This video will show you the all steps about the import of the logo or board file. So I wanted to actually put my logos or any other left corner or in the middle of that one. Okay, so this is our board outline. First we have to convert our JPG or PNG logo in the form of DXF. Correct? DXF means design exchange form. DXF format was developed by Autodesk, okay, to exchange drawings from ECAD to MCAD and MCAD to ECAD. ECAD means electronics computer aided designs, and MCAD means mechanical computer aided design. Okay, so we have to exchange some files and some drawing formats from the ECAD to MCAD, and we have to take some inputs from MCAD to ECAD. So DXF is the format which help us to exchange our designs or data. Correct? I have my logo. This is the in PNG format. Actually I have to convert it in as a DXF. Correct? I'll Google it. Convertio. See Convertio. I'll open this Convertio. We have to upload our logo here. So I upload here. So this is my logo. I'm uploading it, and after uploading, see it has uploaded now, and it will ask to which format you wanted to convert into. We have to select here. See, so many conversion files are there, but we have to go here in CAD. In CAD you have to choose just DXF. Okay, click on convert. So conversion process is started here. Just wait for that. Conversion is on process. So download option will appear after the conversion. So we'll download this. Okay, I'll show in my folder. See, this file is having VTech logo.dxf. So I'll copy this and I'll keep in my. See, this is my logo and this is my DXF file. What I converted. Import this logo DXF file to my PCB. Correct? So again I'll open this and I'll import it again. File menu, and I import again DXF. I'll select my file. Working with DXF logo.dxf. So we have to change as DXF here mm. So incremental edition we have to click on incremental edition and fill shape, because this shape needs to fill because we are importing as a silk screen. So we have to fill the shape. Go to the edit and layer view, and we have to select all. After selecting all, we have to map the class and subclass. So just remember, for silk screen what is the subclass and what is the active class. So for silk screen, package geometry will be the active class, and subclass will be the silk screen top. Okay, now map it. Up click on OK and import it. Click import to process it. It is showing import successful. Okay, so just close it and just click on where you want to keep your. See, this is the logo what we have imported. This is appearing as a silk screen on the board. So guys, I'll explain here how to import our company logo or any other logo into our PCB board. So first we have to create a PCB board outline, then only we can able to place our logo on the board. So first I will create here. Go to the add line. Active class will be the board geometry and subclass will be the outline. Now I am drawing, so x space 0 space 0 ix 1000 iy 700 again IX minus 1000. This is the size of PCB and X 0 so this is our board line. Click on zoom fit, so board line is there. Okay, so that board line has created successful. If we have our logo, so our logo will be in the form of the PNG or in the form of JPG. So first we have to convert that PNG into the DXF file, because in Allegro or CAD we cannot put our logos as a JPG or as the PNG file. So first we have to change that JPG file or PNG file into the .dxf format. DXF means Design Exchange Format, developed by the Autodesk. Through this file we can access our designs from the MCAD to ECAD and ECAD to MCAD, vice versa. ECAD means Electronic Computer Aided Design, MCAD means Mechanical Computer Aided Design. So when we want to collaborate with the MCAD, and if MCAD person wants to collaborate with the ECAD person, so they have to exchange their design files in DXF format only. PCB designer will generate his PCB DXF file for the mechanical purposes, for enclosures designs and all, and mechanical person will design his board in their DXF format to provide the PCB designers. We have to convert the JPG or PNG format into the DXF format. So many online converters are there. So I used to prefer Convertio, which is having very best interfaces. Google it like Convertio. So we will choose our PNG format. See, first this is the my logo. So I am just opening the property of it. So it will show the PNG. This is the PNG image. That PNG directly we cannot import in the OrCAD or Allegro. So we have to convert the PNG into DXF format, correct? So I'll choose my file. So here my VTech logo. So this is in PNG form. In which format we wanted to convert. So many formats are available over here. So we will go to the directly on CAD. In CAD option, just click DXF. So it will convert .png to .dxf format, correct? Hit on convert. So conversion is started here. After finishing this, we have to download this converted DXF file. I'll open in a folder. Now I'll copy it, and after copying, I'll paste here. The import process we have to start. Click on import and then DXF. So this pop-up menu will appear. We take logo .dxf, now and this will come default. So incremental addition we required and field shape not required because we are using as a silk screen. Okay, so after these parameters we have to click on edit view layers and we have to select it all. Choose the class and subclass. Logo of the companies or logo or any pictures on the PCB should appear silk screen only. So class will be the package geometry and subclass will be the silk screen top. Okay, after selection this class and subclass, you just map it, go forward by clicking OK. Like you have to click on, hit on import, like so. It is telling import successful. Now close it. Now see, this logo is appeared in the board. So this is the process by which we can import our logos in PCB as a silk screen. So we will save it and we will close. Thank you for watching this. Stay tuned to get proper tutorials and proper update regarding the PCBs. Fine, thank you so much.